Okay. Okay. Aworo kako yang no. Akarudi tena kingine msikili fanye yote mkende. When I'm away yao. Ndiko yeri mugenda. Ana ndiko veri when I'm away. Tano abwe. Kimbali. Engineer Mako. Jimo. I see Winnie. Nikki, come on. Shalaba. Shalai. Ulopa. Kanendalamara. Lawrence on the line. Shalabia. Shali Shalari. Hello, Zelendra. Obviously, Zelendra's on the vibe. Hello, Zelendra. Hello, Zelendra. Hello, Zelendra. Konji. Ayo. Zelendra Zona. I see my guys, I love. I get battle the vine. Rice on the vibe. Mama Gallo. The mark on the vibe. I the mark here. Ay, Mama Gala. Miss W. Have you seen Wamba? Elite. How are you guys? Thank you so much. My name is Maka Mugenda. I see Peter Smith also in the vibe. Just keep on watching. My name is Maka. If you like the vibe, subscribe also on YouTube. There's a super chat, guys. The instrument is called nyatiti. Madonna, how are you, baby girl? Come baby girl. Madonna, my shitty you. Have you seen Lucy Maya? Good morning, Madonna. I still. Thank you so much, Madonna. How are you, Mama? Paradox on the vibe. Adieu, previa. Come baby, you my cocorico. Have you seen you a free? Come baby, gone. Come baby, gone. Mike Brown. Come baby, banana. Come baby, body. Come baby, banana. Have you seen Bolon? My time. I don't wanna talk too much. Simba. Get the dance is a kaya dance. So eat a good day. Go shake your body, shake your bang bang. Blender, cut. Ayo, I see in a. Hold on, gala. Bambore. Come baby girlie, come baby girlie, come baby girlie. Dewa oh dewa, dewa priya dewa, dewa yeah dewa. Can you dance oh dewa? Ayo, oh velo so dewa. Mike dance. Have you seen Michael? Mike dance. Mike dance. Abundance boy. Mike dance. Ayo. Come baby, guy, you my cocorico. Have you seen Bodona? Amazing nature. Ayo, Macocorico, Mathieu, come baby girl, I spring on the vine. Have you seen Rajan? Rosalia, she on the vine. Come baby banana. Zuri sana. Have you seen a balance boy? Can you dance it? Mike Brown, can you dance it? Hold on a dance it. Can you dance it? See what we are. Can you? I come up with a nyatiti go. Nyatiti go dance. Can you dance? Michael. Have you seen Bodona dance? Bodona dance. It's hello. Morales. Have you seen Morales? Have you seen Morales? Ayo, my granddaddy, Odona dance, Kani Shego, Kani, Kani, John. Come, baby, come, let's go. Dula, oh, Dula, Anataga Dula, Nae Dula, Anataga Dula, Iwana Gondula, Iwana Gondula, Godolo, Iwana Dula. Fikile, how are you? Thank you so much, guys. I see Mike Brown. How are you doing? I'm from Kenya, guys. It's Mark Mugenda. I'm playing traditional music. The instrument I'm playing is called nyatiti. Yeah, if you like the vibe, guys, for those who are watching on YouTube, you can donate in super chat. Yeah, if you like the vibe, you can donate in super chat. And also there's a PayPal for those who are watching. My name is Mark. I see beautiful Bodona also in the vibe. Thanks so much for this, for showing love. The instrument is called nyatiti. I see Alice. Victoria. Robinson the vibe. Coco Point on the vibe. Sabingo, Elijah Onyango, Mbudo Maka. Have you seen Morocco? Come miss here. Morocco, Mbudo Have you seen releasing song? Real singer, how are you? Maria Salom, you know gani? Real singer. Have you seen my guy Carido? Rico. Rico. How are you, Caridon? Are you fine? Caridon, are you good? Are you fine? Frederick Olema also in the vibe. How are you, Kelta? instrument is called nyatiti. Nyatiti is a Luo traditional instrument from western part of Kenya. It's just a vibe, guys. Thank you so much. Keep on watching. It's just morning. Carido. Where are you watching from, Carido? I see Bodona. Thank you so much. Lucy Maya. Today I don't see Lucy Maya. I don't know what's happening. Zetian also in the vibe. If you are watching on YouTube, guys, please subscribe. And also there's a super chat you can donate in or PayPal. Caridon, how are you? I see 7. What's up from Virginia? I see 7 days. 7 days. How are you? Siaya Pacho. Hey, Siaya de nani bana. Siaya de nani. Have you seen 7 days? Thomas Apostle also in the Bible. I see General. Apostle. Hello, Apostle Thomas. Have you seen 7 days? Hello, Apostle. The Apostle Thomas, Mother of 7. The Apostle. Have you seen the Apostle Thomas? Somebody go do to mama. Mama. 7 days. I'm using Miss Apostle. Have you seen the Apostle Thomas? Thomas. Tamalingona kabadane. Oduan. Abadane. Lungania. Wololo Apostle Tom. Man of God. Oh man of God. Oh man of God. Let me recharge bundles, my guy. Prophet One Tanker production. Where are you watching from, One Tanker? Chiga. Let me start the song about Thomas, the apostle, man of God. If you believe in God, just say, hey. Jan Snacky. Where are you watching from? The Triot. Where's that studio, Just Nike? Let me play. Well, let me sing to man of God now. Play something big. Dr. Hans. Where are you watching from, Doctor? Let me play. Let me sing one song to man of God, Apostle Thomas. I see Dr. Hans. Have you seen Doctor? Remember the traditional vibe. Oh, Apostle Thomas, Dr. Hans here. Have you seen the Mosquito? When I'm jumping to my number, I don't mind. Oh, doctor, I love doctor, and so the wise. Maluna Gatoma, Ereluman of God. I hear tomato, send with me, I hear Dr. Hansugani Usan, Dr. Hansugani Usan. When I'm jamming to Apostle, when I'm jamming with Apostle, introvert, introvert, broadcast, introvert. I've seen doctor, where you Apostle. I've seen doctor, hands on the fire. Apostle, 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 God sender, God sender. Message of God, Kalbol, hallelujah, hallelujah, Baba. Have you seen us? I hear it. Answer Jesus, I love the die. You dance to the die. Answer the Hero, watch your bembelepe. Have you seen my guy? I want to give a doctor a therapy. Thomas, take your therapy. Apostle, Thomas, take your therapy. Dr. Hans, deal with your therapy. No, Leo, now I am therapy. I don't know it. I don't see how. Oh, I see I'm on the vine. I don't know Yakomoro Kainga. I don't eat right on the vine. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Thank you so much. There's a special song for Thomas, Apostle, man of God. How are you, Apostle? If you like the vibe, little brother, thanks so much for the song. Hakuna dema la nimaliza ka atuti. Yeah. Good morning, dear. Thank you so much, Rachel. Okay, guys, if you're watching on YouTube, guys, please subscribe. My name is Maka Mugenda. Maka is playing traditional instrument called nyatiti. This is the instrument I'm playing. Yeah, it's called nyatiti. Nyatiti is a Luo traditional instrument from western part of Kenya. Yeah. And also there's a super chat for those who are watching on YouTube. Please, you can donate in super chat or PayPal if you're willing. Cecile. Aye. Dr. Noel, where are you watching from? I see Soldier of God. Hans, where are you watching from? Thank you so much, people from Nairobi, Kenya. Nairobi, Kenya. Yediko! I've seen Nyandaro product. Hans, are you there? Nyamalita. Brian Jones. Jones. Yeah. Yamalit, Yarmalit, Inaluange. Oh my yo. Jalite on the vine. Yamali, Ansio, Kanyaone, Dwaganena. Jalite on the vibe. Love from New Zealand. Yeah. I wanna see you, Nyamalit. Nyamalit. Kenya one. Did you see Nyamalit? Oh, Nyamalit. Nyamalit. This morning I wake up. This morning I wake up. I see my cigarette when jumping to Nyamalit. Can dance to Nyamalit. Hey. I've seen Nyamalit on the wire. Nyamalit. I see what I see, normal. Can you plug it in? Whoa! I see my guy. I see beautiful Mercy Gracie. My brother from Israel. They wanna see Nyamalit. Shelly boy. Oh, Nyamalit. Dancing Nyamalit. Shake Nyamalit. Yellow Nyamalit. Aye, come here. Have you seen my guy? Judy. Waganini. I wanna sing my. I wanna Nyamalit, beautiful Swagadini, Massacre, Erika Ole, and the girl, you die, you die, mama. Masio. Have you seen Maka? Erika on the vine. You don't still there's a viper. I'm in Bantu. Erika from Mexico, wanna see Nyamalit. Erika from Mexico, wanna see Nyarma. Ah, Nyarmale, ayo Nyarma, like oh. I've seen Nyarmale. Thank you so much, Erika. My name is Mark Mugenda. Emmanuel Emi, also on the vibe. Keep on watching Game Born, also the vibe, man. I see Erika. How are you doing? Mercy. Thank you so much. You survive. Let's survive. Survive. Kill me with tush tush tush. Thank you so much, Nyarmalita. The instrument is called nyatiti. It's one of the old instruments from western part of Kenya. My friend from Israel. I don't know your name, but you have been supporting me. I would like to do something special to you, for you. Yeah. Wow, that's cool. I see GG. I don't know how to read that one. Thanks so much. Keep on watching. I wanna see Survivor. Survivor. Kefa. It's Kefa. Let me play one song to Kefa. Survivor. Survivor. Oh my time, oh my time, you desire, legend, you desire, survivor. I have been wondering, now under my guy. How can I sing together? How can I sing together? I wanna jump with the pep. How can I jump with the cap? Mama coming with the Nashi 218. They wanna see Keva from Israel. From Israel. From Israel. 0-0. Wham! Are you dancing nice? Are you dancing nice? Evil. Have you seen Max on the boat? Agusa. Kepa dance. Are you losing my can you dance? Are you losing my can you dance? Kepa. Have you seen the survivor? Big bang, Naji. Aye. make Nash. Have you seen survive? Survivor. Ah, yeah, survivor. Ah, yeah, survivor. You this survivor. As ha ha. Adikonyo. Man, losing my. Have you seen losing my also the bar? Madingo, you designer, oh the survivor, SKT. Lisa, have you seen Gypsy? Are you dancing? Are you jamming? Are you vibing? Are you shaking? Are you dancing? How you doing, guys? I see Adriana is on the vibe, right? Baron Elda, how are you? Baron Elda, there's a vibe. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your time. Lamo Ame, how are you doing? Lamo Ame also on the vibe. I see Truscan from Romania. Where's my handkerchief? Thank you so much for those who are watching. That's a very special. How is your sister? Come on. Phoenix Egima. It's called nyatiti. If you like the vibe, guys, and you're watching on YouTube, guys, there's a super chat. You can donate in super chat or PayPal. Jill, you want my sister? Yeah, I see Amanda. Hey, Amanda, long time. How are you? Yeah, Phonics X Nigma. Yeah, guys, if you're watching on YouTube, please subscribe. My name is Maka, playing traditional instrument called nyatiti. I see Nash. How are you, Nash? Leo! I see Zach Boywa. Sammy on the vibe. Sammy. Phonics on the vibe. Romantica. Alexander on the vibe. Let me recharge bundles. 1 second. I see it's now 7 morning. How can a man starve by 7? That's not good. using Modi Modi. I see you dying. Saila, the survivor. Majuru. Yeah. I know the vibe. Something. Phoenix. Enigma. And in the not losing my eye. Well, Nash. Yellow Nash. That abuse. Ha ha. Bonnie, Bonnie. Ex-League. Bonnie, Bonnie. Pacamio. Bonnie, Bonnie. Born to win. Bonnie, Bonnie. Coratinho, Macaé, Venezuela, Wanda year, Coratinho, Macaé, Abdulia, Abisil Levy, when I'm singing to yes, Phonics. Phonics, I can do it. Oh, Nazi, oh, Nashi, Naguru, baby, Imombia Lukolai, Bon Survivor, get Judy, Judy, where you watching from? Survivor. Papa, 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 sabat badan, sabat badan, goto, sabat badan, sabat badan, buam, sabat badan, sabat badan. Era moacho, sabat badan, na Bonnie Eximo. Wanjiku Survivor. How are you? Phonics, Phonics Enigma. Where are you watching from, Enigma? Enigma, where are you watching from? Please, can I know where you are watching from? Enigma. Mama, call me if you want to. If you wanna live long, just be like Survivor. Enigma, where? Phonics. The Phonics. Hi, good morning, Kuni Gunde. Guten Morgen. Arizona, the desert of Arizona. The Arizona is not there. There is desert on Arizona. Okay. Oh, Vonix, do you want me to record for you something so that you can put on your channel or Rumble channel? Play you to sing the intro for my Rumble channel. Yes. Okay, I think you can have my number now. Martina. Hi Martina. I see Kunigunde. Kunigunde. Okay, Vonix, take my number. Are you ready? My WhatsApp number. That's my WhatsApp number. I see. Welcome, my dear, my dear, Habari za asubuhi Martina. I'm good, Jaber. I'm good, Martina. Hey, uko sawa. Pereo. Okay, take my number, Vonix. Are you ready? Start with the +254. +254. 720. Lenai, my M-Pesa number is there. Is there in the screen on YouTube, Lenai, my M-Pesa number is there. +254 +254 720 1592 71. +254 720 1592 71. Lenai, I was giving another my fan from YouTube. You know, on YouTube there's no way I can put the number on the screen. Yeah, so I was giving him. Lenai, M-Pesa number is there. Okay, a minute. I'm from Kenya. Katrina. Oh yeah. Then I shake your body. You dear, you die, shake your body. You die, shake your body. Thank you so much. 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 Thank you so much, Lena. God bless, bro. God bless. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thank you. I see there's a guy of his Zasha. Thank you so much, Lena. I received a lot of thanks. May God bless you. I received a lot of thanks. You will just allow me to restart the TikTok. Just 1 second, please. I have to restart it. Yeah. I have to restart the TikTok because of 1, 2, 3, 4 reasons. TikTok. Hey, TikTok, yeah. TikTok. TikTok, how can you suspend me? Jogo said I suspend Django. Vonix, text me on my WhatsApp. Muganga Karima na Zubabi. Muganga Karima Muganga. Mama Mbuzi Meme. Come on, be a queen. We am Lima. Yeah. Then I will for Enigma. When do you want that video? When do you want that video? My brother. Oscar Musulani, Ice Besha. Tenumaya Bula. Tenumaya Bula. I know, but Nyarijoas, Hello, Nyarijoas, Betty Bash, Laura, and Gajazaya, and I can Gajazaya like. Sama jogo nagalena dongane no tutu Mr. Ice Bueno ati oh yeah ayo have you seen my brother from Israel? Then I were watching from bending nuga kuni yo kuni yo kuni kunde sama tumo nagalena inagolinduma inawere ni nyagabinu inalongi didi Ayo, Lenai, where you watching from? Nando, Evans on the line. Adikunigu. I took care of you. Have you seen my God? Thank you so much. If you like the vibe, subscribe. Also, there's a YouTube channel. You can subscribe, and there's a super chat. You can donate in super chat. And also, there's a what? PayPal. If you're willing, you can tip through PayPal. Thank you so much. Let's continue the vibe. Nando. Nyamali. Yeah. Can you say Joey? Joey. Still on the vibe. TK. Lenai on the vibe. Evanzo. Nyarmalito on the vibe. Buffalo. I know. Buffalo. Mama Isa. Baba. Evanjo. Evanjo. I'm the son of Evanjo. Haha. Evanjo. 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 Come on. Quick loose in the one. Nobody. Nakabaya. DK Evanzo. Nobody. Have you seen Kunigunde? Mukora on the vibe. Jalubo. Opero. Adekaga. Evanzo. Bizitola. We are rocks. Can you smile? Nobody. Basta. Have you seen Basta on the one? I don't know for the calendar. I don't know for the calendar. Oh my God. Next way. David on the bar. Oh, like go calendar. dancing like a jolly dove. Okay. Aya, Zikrayos on the vine. My Smaka, Mugenda, Apostle Ben Ozaye. Yes, I, from Izali. My name is Maka, guys. Sarah Washington, how are you? Nobody. How are you? Nobody. Ay. I see Saraba. Let me. Is this cosmic? Lava. How are you? Hello, how are you?
Hi, Ukraine Kiev.
Tell me.
А ты откуда, братюня?
What?
Yes.
Oh, that's fine.
Hi.
Good.
Ukraine, Kiev.
Yeah. Saraba, how are you?
Saraba, yeah. Громче делай.
Kwaira Saraba. How's Pakistan? How's Pakistan, my dear? Okay, there's a lady by Kwasara Basan. Kwasara Basan. Amaka. Kwarasaba Sanjun. Kwarasa Azan Jumye Adedi Lisiande Vai Golo Domo Magoluma Now Magoluma Magoluma. I'm from Kenya. Sarabai. Olezar. Rowanos on the vine. Olezar. Muda. Olezar. Jandiga. Way my Jandiga. Sirikalia. Latino. Ilungu kumi kunde. Beautiful kunde. Akunigunde Zatio Sirikalugura is Nyatiti. This woman is called Nyatiti. I see friend from Pakistan also on the van. Yogi Yogi Wenda Keno Magonuma Alindiwa O Kwarazare Katerina Ni Aye. How are you, Lynn? Yareximo de va. Keno Magonuma What is there? Johnny how happy Unasukuma I see Venice on the van. Ululu Jazaya I saw just in the van. Alanguma Pede Janina Winia how can we how man how can we yes yes oh man I am bad I can Janina ini jiru jogi udindo neno boyo olo neno boyo ojuang neno boyo mago jogi tete I see Vanessa also on the vibe. If you're watching on YouTube you can donate in super chat. I see there's a lady watching from Pakistan. Yeah, there's a lady from Pakistan. My name is Maka Mugenda, playing traditional instrument called nyatiti. It is a low traditional instrument, guys, for those who are watching. Yeah, subscribe please if you're watching on YouTube, and also remember you if you can donate something in my super chat. If you like the rhythm, forget about what I say. Heli Christina. Heli Christina. Heli Christina. I love the vibe. Futuro. Christina. Salon the vibe. Christina. Salon del futuro. From Mexico. I see a king dragon, apple rayola. Have you seen Wallace on the vibe? Come on. Beautiful Christina. Beautiful Christina. This is Paulina Yuma. Joliva. Ayawa Christina. Oh Christina. Can you dance, nyatiti? Can you dance, nyatiti? You may remember the man sing. Oh, have you seen Ellie Christina? Verida, Salma. Have you seen Salma? Helio Christina. Have you seen my gun? Lisa Chess. Yes, Lisa. Isa. Aye, beautiful lady. Ah, you go let me sing to you, lady. Christina. Ah, Christina. Ah, Daniel. Hello, hello, our colo, colo, penyo Christina. Can you dance early? Can you dance? Yeah, yeah, can you dance early? Can you shake early? Royal big. Come to me, Christina. Have you seen Sancho? I ain't no money, no problem. Goodbye, oh my goodness, vibe. My name is Maka. If you like the vibe, hello Christina. Where are you watching from, Christina? I'm playing traditional instrument called nyatiti. It's a low traditional instrument. Nyatiti, yeah. Also have a YouTube channel. You can subscribe. It's Maka, M-A-K-A space Mugenda. And also you can, if you like the vibe, you can donate through PayPal or there's a super chat. Let's continue. Tina. For those watching on YouTube, please, there's a super chat there. Don't just leave it. Please subscribe and also you can donate. Whoa. Whoa. Thank you so much, Haley. I'm happy to see you. If you like the vibe, subscribe. Also, there's a super chat, or if you're willing to give something, there's a PayPal. Let's continue. Is Maka Mugenda once more say. Yes, got it. Ayo, DJ Rambo, Muria, have you seen Christina? Sammy, Christina, let me sing to Christina. I wanna sing to Christina. I am Christina Hilly, Christina Hilly. Ooh, Lucy, simple as on the bar. Zilda. With laddie, Christina, spotless in the bar, but don't mama to songi. Well, David, I will sing Davido, David, have you seen David? Gabi, bending in no Christina. Abaya, Christina, Ay, yes, it's a fishing line, Lucy Maya. Ay, Karatung ni Chengenawe, real boogie. Karatung ni Chengenawe, Cousin Jam, I'm feeling better now. I've been sick, but now I'm jumping now. Have you seen Christina? Beautiful Christina, nothing no good. Beautiful Christina, more beauty. Susana, Susana Bula, Yama West in the bar. Susana Jam, Susana Jam, Sina Jam, Sina Jam, Sina, Sina, Alvia, Christina, Christina, more beauty without to make up. I really appreciate. Guys, my name is Mark Mugenda, playing traditional instrument called nyatiti. If you like the vibe, please subscribe on YouTube, and also if you are willing to tip, there's a super chat, and also there's a PayPal if you're willing to tip. It's upon you. Yeah, Christina, upon you to decide on what to do. Yeah, my name is Mark Mugenda, playing traditional instrument called nyatiti. Is one of the old instruments from western part of Kenya. If you like the vibe, guys, just show your love. Can you show me your house? Ni I, where you watching from? Before I show you my house. Yeah. Guys, I think now. Ni I. Let me give you the last song. I don't know even Oromo is which language. I don't know. Welcome to Kenya. Welcome to Kenya. I speak Luo. Lovely guy. I lovely guy. Oh, lovely. She lovely. Kaim ya. Kaim. Can you smile with the man? Can you smile with the man? Kalongo, Ngama from Congo. Kalonga, Ngama. Kalonga wanazi. Lovely kind. Oh, love me. Dance. Can you dance with the hell? Lovely kind. Beautiful, lovely. Beautiful, lovely. Beautiful, lovely. I'm not just believe. Ayo. Anna, 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 Magamin Bulan, Magamin Bulan, lovely kind, oh, love, Adala, Adala. Thank you so much, lovely. Mental of the voice. Can you take what to Baba? Oh, me, Mental of the voice. Josie Bene Dumulungu. Guide me. Prince Khalifa, let me take water. If you like the vibe, subscribe on YouTube, guys. Also, there's a super chat. You can donate in super chat, and also there's a PayPal if you're willing. Josie, how is mother? Jaya! Hi, Jai. Thank you so much. I see lovely. You're welcome, beautiful. Lovely. Josia. Kenda kwenya maja wiruma Mwana Longo nagalali Abisinjai Jai Odonyoga Abisinjai right on the vibe Jackie on the vibe Lolo on the vibe Bingo on the vibe Yeah Andri on the vibe Samaka tumagoy Samaka tumagoy Agoy Yadumugaya Miyago Ama I wish I see your mother Jai Jai Lovely you Lovely kai danse Lovely kai danse It's called Mother Told Me Mother The name of the song is called Mother Told Me Mother told me Beautiful ladies Like Josie Mother told me Mother Mother Abaddon's mother Mama lovely mother Mother auntie mother 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 told me Mother sweet mother Mama Mama I gotta go you go tell me Mother Just 1 second, guys. I want to make a call here. Just 1 second. 1 minute for watching on YouTube. Please, 1 minute. I speak fluent English. Sometimes I speak. Josie, Sometimes I speak fluent English. Aye. Sometimes I speak all English. Ha. Sometimes I speak fluent English. Aye. No English. Mr. Untrollable. 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 Yeah. Mr. Uncontrollable and untrollable. Ha ha. Walala magaye. Na majaguaya. Oh, Mister. Oh, Mister. I wanna sing to Mister Untrollable, Untrollable. Josie, Jai, Jai, lovely, lovely kind. I, Zibia. Kena manya gwaya, kena manya gwaya. Ageni, Godom, CBA, CBA, Mr. Uncontrol, unrollable, unrollable. Agoneto, agoneto, CBA. Economia, ay, dancing nyatiti, dancing nyatiti, ayo, all this gold, Ziba, all this gold, Lucifer, all this gold, it's unrollable, all this gold. Somebody gold, mommy you gold, and nigga old, me and me, Abantu, 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 Mr. Untrollable, yeah, 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 Benji, Benji, Benji. Ay, Yasumachayan, Indomajabo, Gotum, Gotume, 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 ah, yeah, oh, ah, if you like it, it's an untrollable. Untrollable. I just die me like. Give me a life. Drop you. Yakiti guru. Agoru, agoru, agoru. Untrollable. Mr. Untrollable, how are you? If you like the vibe, Mr. Untrollable, you can subscribe, please. You can donate also. There's a super chat there if you like. If you are willing, not if you like. If you like, you can do, but if you are willing. And also there's a PayPal if you are willing also. Mr. Untrollable, you can also, if you're willing, there's a super chat. You can donate something small or PayPal. It's your choice. Thank you so much, Zibela. I really appreciate your time, guys. Everyone who's watching. My Maka. I'm from Kenya. I'm from where? I'm from, let's say, I'm from where? I'm from here. Let me show you where I am. You think I'm in good place. I'm from here. I'm from here. These are untrollable. I'm from here. You see, this is an Indian Ocean. Wow, very nice. Very ogala wa Kidera. Ogula wa Kidera. Ogula kusogalo ya Ogula. Yeah, that's the place where I am right now, guys. Thank you so much. I see Lenai. Thank you so much. Yeah, that's the place where I am. Quite. Sechekoro Terrace. Zibi, please come to Kenya once. Only once. Only once. Only once. Only once. Only once. Midnight. Watch be what I'm late. One, two, I'm late. Two, I'm late. Three, I'm late. Four, I'm late. Baby, come to the Kenya. I wanna take you to Kenya. Kenya, I'm late. Asmodian. Hello, Asmodian. I'm late. Shefadia, bring a miracle to the one, I'm late, to the one, to the two, 1, 2, 3, to the one. I know, I'm late. I know, I'm late. Nana baby, Nora dance, Nora come back, Nora dance with the family. Twin miracle, Have you seen nobody? Zippy boom on the vibe. Zippy. Then I knew Naga Zippy. Oh, family. Welcome to Maga Vibe. Maga Vibe is every day. Maga Vibe is every day. I grace. Say hi to grace. No, I say hi to grace. Tell grace I like Dumba. Zibia, thank you so much. You resident. Oh, I'm late. Diggy, I'm late. No, I wanna see beautiful face. I wanna see beautiful face. One do look at you, cause me, I will have you seen Grace. Thank you so much. Yeah, it's just a vibe. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. If you like it, clap. Guys, for those who are watching on Shefa, my guy, Shefa, please, you can donate in my super chat if you like the vibe. Billy, there's a super chat, guys. Also, you can donate, and also there's a PayPal. If you're willing, you can tip. Just thank you so much. Say hi to Mama. Zibi, Zibibi. I love you. Have a nice time, guys. I have to leave now because of time. I have another session. I have to start another session somewhere, guys. Okay. Cheers. Bwana Omuga. Yin mariti ka bwana. Hey, yin mariti. Yin mariti ka kwach. Waa. Asante sana. Zibil na. Who taught you Swahili? Yeah, this is what you normally hear. Who is single here? Before I leave, who is single? I'm serious. Who is single? If you know you are single and searching, just put down your name. Write down that you are single. I want to give you my brother. A single man. Is single and searching. Serious. Today, no single. Nobody is single here. Everyone is taken. I want my brother here who is single. Brother, can you tell them that you are single? You see my brother? Aye, handsome man. Handsome man. You see my brother? You see my brother? Yo.
Single and searching.
Thank you so much, guys. Have a nice time, everyone. Watch the streaming. My name is Maka. I love you so much. If you like the vibe, it's Maka Mugenda. That's the end of my streaming. You have to joke, you have to laugh. Better. What would you tell Moroka or Pepas?